Hi audience, welcome back to Infotanic. As you have seen the third episode of season 8 of Game of Thrones, where you have seen the great war between death and alive. Thanks to Arya Stark, that alive did won the war. Now the question is, what next? In the preview of episode 4, Daneeryseis is seen celebrating the victory of Great War, but she also told everybody that there is still a final war behind it. As you know, everyone is tired of Queen Cersei and many of them wanted to kill her, especially House Stark and Danayersis. So after the Great War, Dany will reunite the army and will have ambitions to march south to King's Landing, where they will face Queen Cersei Lannister. Previous episode was made of 1 hour 22 minutes, while the current episode will be of 1 hour and 18 minutes. As you know, the Dothraki are almost dead. A large number of Unsullied are as well. I have no idea that how many troops from north and the valley that leaves us with, but I am fairly certain that Jon and Dany's forces are much weakened and her dragons are also wounded. While on the other hand, Queen Cersei and her golden company seems in better position for the moment, as the long night made Daenerys Targaryen more vulnerable than before ever. With Jorah dead and Grey Worm wounded and Missandei are the last two named characters with unquestionable loyalty to Daenerys. Especially in the light of recent revelation that Jon Snow is actually Aegon Targaryen and Sansa Stark's persistence that North will remain independent, tensions in Winterfell are rising. That's why I think most of this coming Sunday's episode will be spent surveying the damages and planning for the war to come, as Dany herself described it, the last war, in the trailer for episode 4. While in King's Landing, we see Cersei and Euron thinking about baby making, both looking rather pleased with themselves and are preparing for the war to come. The cleverness of Cersei, her union with Euron and Golden Company makes her in better position, plus she had enough time to get prepared for the final war while Daenerys was busy in fighting a great war. On the other hand, we have seen Jon and Dany evolving from nowhere, defeating all of their enemies including Night King. Both of them seems lucky, brave and are favored by huge amount of people, which gives us a signal that things can go against what Cersei has planned. But of course, in final war, damages will be huge on both sides, perhaps even more than the Great War. We are also expected to get answers of some questions in episode 4, like will Bran finally use the crossbow against Jaime Lannister? Will Euron gets his wish with Cersei? How will the strategy and mental state of Daenerys continue to change as the series winds down? Audience, thank you very much for watching our video. Stay in touch with us for more updates. Thank you very much.